How to remove Google account from YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can remove our Google account from YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to use your YouTube signed out with your Google account, you don't want to log into your Google account, that's not possible on Android, because let me explain to you. Your Android comes from Google and YouTube is owned by Google, so YouTube runs from the Google app, which is the Google account. So if you have to remove the Google account from the YouTube app, you have to remove the Google account from your Android phone itself. Now unless you are using an iPhone which does not require a Google account, you can use your Apple ID. But in that case, if you're using an iPhone, you could tap the profile icon and go to switch account here, and here you'd find an option that says use YouTube signed out. But unfortunately on Android, you can see we don't have that option. So on Android, what we have to do is go to manage account instead and remove the Google account from our device itself in order to remove it from our phone too. So unless we remove the Google account from our phone, then as long as the Google account exists, it will always show up inside the YouTube app or any of the other Google applications. So you have to remove the Google account from your device itself. So hope this video helped you understand it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon.